This is how you create a website on the cheap or for free using Canva. Now, over here on Canva, as you can see, they have a free option you can sign up for. You can also choose to try out their pro option, which is what we currently have in our business. Going over here, we'll just go here, and Canva has a number of templates for you to choose from and use. One of the ones you can use, go to create design. You can go ahead and search website. It's in beta. Okay, once it comes up, you design your website. Now, thankfully, I have a ton of templates. So if you want to, you can use one of these amazing templates first and then edit your design from there. So if I work in accounting, go here, I can apply and then update this to whatever I need it to be. Need to add a link. I highlight it. Okay. Highlight like you would highlight anything else. Go up here, it says link, and you will put in the link that you need. Now you can reference the other pages. Okay. Boom. So now this is now a link, right? So once you're done designing your page, you can choose and edit your colors. Okay. Change up your colors. You can change up the pictures depending on which level of account you have will determine what kind of pictures and things you can get. Okay. Once that's all done, once you want to get this up and running, you hit publish. Okay. You can choose the style. So presentation style. Okay. Multi-pages, scrolling, which is all one page. Classic navigation, where there's a navigation bar at the top. Okay. Or standard. Right. So you can do all these different types. If you want to look at this in different ways, you can get an idea of, how you want this to be. So this is scrolling. Okay. Boom. Got this view here. Got this view here as well, where it's skipping down between. Okay. And the last one, the presentation type, scrolls as a side scroller. Okay, so if you wanted to use this as a presentation, you could. But that is how you create a website with Canva. Of course, when you're done, you hit publish. You have the link up here, and you just share this link. Okay, and that's your website. It's not pretty. I'll go ahead and make sure you check out the video for how to convert any link to a bit.ly link, or how to forward watch the video on how to forward a URL. I'll go ahead and put those things in the description, or check out the cards. And as usual, if you need any help with technology, automation, and you want somebody to take over this work for you, make sure you check the link in the description and get on our calendar to come speak to us.